Scheduling shouldn't be a headache. And with your calendar connected in your brand pack built on Go High Level, it won't be. Whether it's client calls, appointments, events, everything syncs together effortlessly. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how do you connect your calendar so you can keep your schedule running smoothly in your business. You can say goodbye to double bookings and hello to more simplicity, because as business owners, couldn't we all use some extra simplicity? Yeah. All right, let's jump in and take a look.
Now, as we connect our calendars here in our Marketing OS as part of our brand pack, we're going to start by clicking Settings. And then since your calendar is specific to you as a user in the system, you're going to go to My Profile. This is the same place we came to set up our email two-way sync in a previous video, where we're going to scroll down a little bit here to the calendar sections. And because a lot of times calendar appointments happen over video, depending on what type of business you have, I'll show you how to set and connect those as well. All right, to connect your calendar, you're going to hit Add New. And depending on where you host your calendar, you can connect those. And you can connect multiple calendars. I'll show you how that works in a second. For now, I'm going to connect my Google Calendar because that's where my calendar lives. All right, and again, you'll give it permission because again, it's booking on your calendar on your behalf. It needs permission to do that. We'll wait for that connection to finalize, and you'll see, hey, I have now a linked calendar and I have a conflict calendar. Okay, so here, this linked calendar, that is where the bookings occur. So when someone books with you, this is where it places the appointment. The conflict calendar is where does it look to see when you're available. Now, obviously, it should look at the calendar that it's booking on to see when you're available, but let's be honest, our lives are kind of complex. So we often have multiple calendars. Maybe you have multiple businesses. Maybe you have a business calendar and you have a personal calendar for friends and family. Well, we don't want to double book across those different areas of our life either. So we really want to add other calendars to this conflict calendar. Now there's two ways to do this. The first one is, you'll notice I have my other emails shared with this test email. So I can just click this, and now it's going to look at both of these calendars to determine when I'm free. Now it's not going to book on both of these calendars, it's only going to book an appointment onto this one, but it's going to look at both to determine if I'm free. Now, if your calendars aren't shared with each other, or maybe you have a linked, you want to book on a Gmail calendar, but you also want it to look at a Outlook calendar, well, you're just going to go back through what I just showed you, add another one of these calendars. And that's why here in this you can actually pick which calendar you want it to book on. And so when you add another calendar, you'll see it in here, but you can choose, no, I want to book on this calendar, but I want to look at all these other calendars. All right, that's how our calendar configuration works. You'll see here, Google Meet was set because we connected to Google account, but if you're like, no, actually I want to use Zoom or Microsoft Teams, you just can connect those. It's super easy to set up. What's nice too down here is you can set your availability. And we'll get into some more of this when we get into how to customize the calendars for your brand pack. But since we're setting it up right now, I'll go ahead and mention it. This availability, let's say that you didn't want to get booked on Friday, and you also Wednesday, you're like, no, I stopped working at 1 on Wednesdays because I got stuff going on in the afternoon. So what it's going to do is it's going to look, okay, these are the available windows of booking. And then so it's going to not even look at Friday. It's not even going to look at Wednesday afternoon or Saturday, Sunday, or night times. But it's going to look at these windows that you can set. And then it's going to look at these calendars and go, okay, in these windows, when are you free on these calendars? And so this gives a lot of power in being able to set your availability so that clients can just book with you and you don't have to go back and forth. Now, when we get into how to customize your calendars, I'll just kind of preview this. You can actually dial this in even more with setting availability particular to maybe your free meetings. You want to have one availability. For your paid meetings, you want to have a different one. Maybe for each one, you actually want to have a different way for people to connect with you on here. So like, let's say that I have this, maybe on some of them you want it to be Zoom, some you want it to be Meet, some you want it to be something else. You can actually customize a ton of stuff in here. And again, we'll go through that on how to customize your calendars. But I just wanted to show you, as we're connecting your calendars and getting them set up, that it's a really powerful system. All right, I'll catch you in that next video.
Hey, thanks for watching. These videos, they're designed for those who have a better story marketing brand pack built on high level that helps you make the most of your marketing system. Now, if you don't have a brand pack yet, no worries. Just check out the link down in the description and you can grab yours today. It gives you everything you need to grow your business smarter, faster, and easier, and get things up and running in days, not weeks or months. But if you prefer to build it all from scratch, we've got you covered there too. The other link down in the description will let you just sign up for a simple high-level account without the brand pack so that you can just start building things on your own. But if this video was helpful, please make sure to hit that like button, to subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future tips. We're here to help you launch and grow the kind of business that you want to own. I'll see you in the next video.